excited, Mama. Yeah.
Yummy.
Put it together. Hey, it's on Johnny already. Okay, and it can even lower by age. So this is from 1 to 5 years old. Okay. Switch, yeah. Okay, got it. I was doing it backwards. So this is the first part.
Mommy,
And then, yeah.
do you have a new palette? Like a brown one?
Yeah. Give me this.
What's the time on this thing here?
Then this
What do you
one.
mean?
The party.
It goes to 12, but like last time, like.
Okay. Yeah, baby. We're almost there. Look, scooter. She don't know nothing about this, the scooter part. So I'm going to turn it into the seating one. Like the seating part for her age group. So she can sit down. Yeah. So I'm going to try again. Can you give me 1 minute?
The hole in the front, the back.
Yeah. 1 minute. Okay. Can't do it. Wait. Wait, Mama.
Boom, boom.
Yeah, look at that. You like it? Yeah, you like that?
It lights up more when it's going faster.
Bye. Wow, 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 wow. Beep, beep.
Push chair, walking bike, which she have, and this one, the scooter. You see, it lights up. It will show better in the dark, and they have it all here, side, the height, and all of that. 1 to 5 year old. So much food. So today is Saturday, doing some cleaning, and then go supermarket for get some food. We're low on food. Never go supermarket last week. I can go get some groceries, and oh God, So this week, I definitely have to go. So the old week, I buy like 2 pieces of things, so I have to cook every day. I'm like, this is not working out. So, which is done normally cook. So, I want to get everything. So, I'm going to do some decorating. Put the salt mackerel. And you know, long when I eat salt mackerel, I haven't eaten it like in a long time. So I'm excited today to eat it. I do salt mackerel, maybe make some callaloo. Callaloo is my favorite. Although, to be honest, I don't like the tin callaloo. Don't like it. But maybe season it up as much as possible with some olive onion and all of them thing there, and kind of black pepper. So just flavor it up, you know the thing, and just make it more a bit edible. Yeah.
Thank you.
Well, hello there. So it's cleaning time. Don't mind the noise in the background. Dan is baking. It's our son's birthday. Dan is making cheesecake. So I'm going to do my decorating because you know what? It's way past the time. Normally I decorate like the beginning of September. Yeah, even the end of August. Even the end of August, but now we're in October. We're in October. Today is the 14th of October. And I'm just now decorating, can you imagine? But anyway, I'm going to decorate. It's going to last me till Thanksgiving. And I think the day after Thanksgiving, that's when I decorate for Christmas. So, however, I'm just going to go ahead, vacuum. Dan already mopped the floor for me, which is great. So I'm just going to go ahead and vacuum the rug just one more time. But everything is well, not going to mop again because Dan mopped this morning for me. So I'm just going to vacuum and start decorating. Shall we? is a big old bucket. A bucket with everything. Don't need this, definitely. And some fall things. I think I'm going to use these. Let me shake them. Yeah, I think I'm going to use these. So, and then use the fall. Not everything I'm using here. So, don't want the place crowded. So, I'm being a minimalist this year. What is this? Hi. Definitely using this. This is so beautiful. And this a bit of orange. Yeah, pumpkin. Pumpkin, baby. Pumpkin.
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 Pumpkin. Pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
Oh.
So I think I'm going to need.
Oh, that puppy. Look at that. Oh, and Sasha.
So this last one. Careful.
Look at your puppy.
No, no, baby. Okay, more everything here. So now this, I think never use this. Don't know. I think I might use this. Yeah, kind of get the place looking a lot more decorative than what it is. I was going to use this. There was something missing. Look at this. This is my favorite pumpkin. I was like, something is missing. This. Love this. So definitely I will use this. So that pink one is my absolute favorite. And then this. Going to find somewhere for that. I think it was on the dining table. Or it was on the TV stand, but I have those flowers, these, and the one underneath. What am I going to use? I have that pumpkin and see them there. Oh gosh, I like that pumpkin here, see? Yeah. So I didn't get anything for fall this year. I just going to use them I have. And those are the pillows from last year I'm going to use. And then put a vase there. So I'm going to try and decorate my TV stand. So we can do it here. So not I clean the chair then, my battery run low, so if it cut off, that's it. To finish. As you see, I went ahead and I just start decorating because I was waiting for my camera battery to charge and be like, you know what? It's late at night. Let me just get things going. So as you can see, I put this blanket here, the Strobe blanket. Really like it. I'm kind of use about the same thing I used last year. So we have the pillows, the orange, and that pumpkin pillow, and some another pumpkin, another orange pillow, and then the brown throw right here. So I'm kind of go for a lot of fall colors and kind of brighten the house up a bit, because I don't really use bright colors, but I kind of like the orange. I was going to do neutral, but fall is really not neutral. I mean, the neutral look a bit more sophisticated, but I kind of like the bright colors, the red. I'm trying to get some burgundy red, just pop a bit. I want that on my dining table. I'm going to show you what flowers I use. So this one is what I'm going to use for, I'm going to use these for this vase right here on the center table. Like these a lot. It's not too loud because I was deciding if I should use the one that I put on the dining table versus this one. And I think this one is a bit more toned down for there, so. And then the other one is a bit high, so I kind of think it fit better on the dining table, give it a bit more height. And this one, I don't need that much eye. I might change it out because I'm looking for that burgundy color leaves, and it just looks so good. I like that for fall. So anyway, going to use this for my autumn decor. So this, like this, absolutely love it. So it's a bit more toned down, I have the burnt orange, and I kind of going to mix and match them so it kind of blends more rather than the tan color on one side and then the orange on the other side. Kind of mix them up a bit so it looks a bit more blended. And this one cut off a bit. This one is a bit unruly, but we'll get there. Give this one a bit more height. It's a height. So yeah, so far that's what I do. It's gonna be a problem because Alexandra will play with it a lot. Really like this one, but I don't want to have to pick off the glitter them off of it. It's gonna be kind of a mess. But see, but then again it's glass, and then she might pick it up, drop it, and broke it. I really like them. Like seriously like these. So I'm kind of thinking what I should do, but I'm gonna go ahead and put this pink pumpkin. So I'm kind of care for this and put the pink pumpkin here. But I may have to set my words in because you know when you're tired, things just all over the place. Huh? But